Good morning. Is it morning already? I am looking at my alarm clock. It says 8 a.m. To be honest with you, I did not want to wake up today. My bed is so warm, the sheets are soft, my pillow is perfect. Do you know that feeling? When your body feels heavy and relaxed, and you just want to stay under the blankets forever? I stayed up late last night. I was reading a very good book. I read until midnight, so now I am paying the price. I am very tired. But look at the window. The sun is trying to come in. I can see a line of golden light on the floor. The world is awake, so I must wake up too. Okay, let's do this together. 1, 2, 3. Up! I am walking to the kitchen now. The floor is wooden. It feels a little bit cold under my feet. I am shivering a little. Brr! I need to put on my socks. I have big fuzzy socks. They are pink. Ah, that is much better. Now my feet are warm. Here we are, the kitchen. This is the most important room in my house in the morning. Why? Because this is where the magic happens. This is where I make coffee. Can you smell this? I am opening the jar of coffee. It is a strong, dark smell. It smells like earth and chocolate. Deep breathing is good for you. Let's breathe in the smell of coffee together. In and out. I take a spoon. 1 spoon of coffee, 2 spoons. I put the coffee into the machine. Now I need water. I turn on the tap. The water is cold and clear. Splash! I press the button. Click! While the machine is working, let me show you my favorite mug. I have many cups in my cupboard. Some are blue, some are white, but this one is special. It is a yellow mug. It is big and round. My grandmother gave me this mug 3 years ago. When I drink from it, I feel happy. Do you have a favorite cup, or do you just use any cup? The coffee is dripping. Drip, drip, drip. The kitchen is starting to get warm. The smell is filling the air. This wakes me up more than the alarm clock. Now let's talk about food. My stomach is making noises. I am very hungry. I am looking inside my refrigerator. Let's see. What do we have here? I see milk. I see a carton of eggs. I see some strawberries. And I see butter. I think today is a toast and eggs day. It is a classic American breakfast. Simple, fast, and delicious. I take the bread. This is whole wheat bread. It is not white bread. It is brown. It has seeds in it. It is healthier. I put 2 slices in the toaster. Now the eggs. I am going to fry them. I take my frying pan. It is a black pan. I put it on the stove. I turn the heat to medium. Pay attention to this sound. It is my favorite sound in the kitchen. I put a small piece of butter in the pan. Listen. Sizzle, sizzle. The butter is melting. It is turning into a golden liquid. Now I crack the egg. 1, 2. The eggs fall into the pan. The white part starts to turn solid. The yellow part, the yolk, stays liquid. I like my eggs sunny side up. Do you know this expression? Sunny side up. It means the yellow part looks like a sun. We do not flip the egg. We leave the sun shining up. I put a little bit of salt, shake, shake, and a little bit of black pepper. Perfect. The toast is ready. Everything is ready at the same time. This is good timing. I put the hot toast on a plate. I put the eggs on top of the toast. And finally, the coffee. I pour the black coffee into my yellow mug. Look at the steam rising. It looks like a little cloud. I add a splash of milk. I watch the milk mix with the coffee. It turns a beautiful caramel color. Please sit down with me. I am sitting at my small round table near the window. This is my quiet moment. Before I check my email, before I look at Instagram, before I start working, I just sit here. I take a sip of coffee. Sip. It is hot. It tastes bitter and sweet. It warms my throat. I look out the window. My apartment is on the 3rd floor, so I can see the street below. What can I see today? Let's look together. I see a woman walking a dog. It is a small dog, maybe a poodle. It is wearing a red coat. That is cute. I see a big yellow bus. It is a school bus. It is waiting for the traffic light. I see a man running. He is wearing headphones. He runs very fast. Good for him. I do not like running in the morning. I prefer eating. The toast is crispy. The egg is soft. This is a perfect combination. While I eat, I like to plan my day. Do you plan your day, or do you just let things happen? I have a small notebook. It has a blue cover. I take a pen and I write a to-do list, a list of things to do. I usually write only 3 things. If I write too many things, I get stressed. So, what are my 3 goals for today? Goal number 1, go to the supermarket. My fridge is empty now. Goal number 2, record this video for you. Checking that off. Done. Goal number 3, call my mother. She lives in another city, so I miss her. That's it. Simple goals. A simple life. My coffee is finished. My plate is empty. Now I feel awake. The tiredness is gone. The caffeine is working. Thank you for spending this morning with me. It is much better to eat breakfast with a friend than to eat alone. Now I have a question for you, a homework assignment. I want you to describe your favorite mug or cup. Is it big or small? What color is it? Does it have a picture on it? Write in the comments, my favorite mug is. I read every comment. I want to visualize your breakfast. Have a wonderful day, my friend. Don't forget to drink water. See you in the next diary entry. Bye-bye.